In this video, I'm going to show you how to add widget on iPhone lock screen. For this, first of all, unlock your iPhone by either enter passcode or scan your Face ID. Now pull down the screen from the top left corner, so you will see a lock screen preview like this. Now what to do? Long press on the screen so a customized button appear on the bottom. Now click on it. Go with lock screen options. Over here, if you have any widget on screen, then it will look like this. Otherwise, blank space will be there under the time font. Tap on it. So add widget gallery will launch, and now navigate a specific widget and then again choose widget style, small, medium or big for a specific widget, and tap on it. So widget preview will appear on the widget area under the time font. Now click on X mark to exit the widget library and tapping on done. In the last, tap on the lock screen card. Awesome. So this widget will stay on lock screen until not remove this. So friends, follow the similar steps and you can change or add new app widget that are available in the widget library. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.